Hey everybody, I'm Ricardo, and these are my contestants of joy. And you know what these guys do? They compete. Yeah, they compete, yeah. And the challenge is to, do this pose. He does know we can't do that, right? Mr. Ricardo, we can't do that. Oh, you can't? Sorry, it's my first time hosting. You can bake a cake. You guys can do that, right? Oh, I love baking. Look at my baking expertise. Ta-da! I mean, it does look pretty good. Let me try this. Ow. Holy crap. You okay, gang? This is Pip! Vote a contestant! Or don't.